Guys, do you know you can make at least 1 to 2,000 naira daily online for free, totally free? You can make huge amount of money here, totally free, at least money for sub daily on this particular website that I'm going to share with you guys today. Okay, what you have to do is just sit back and watch the video to the very end, and I'll be unfolding the major part that we use in earning money here for free. Okay, you don't have to invest your money for any stuff, and I will assure you that you won't lose your money here because you are not even going to invest your money, and everything is just totally free. What you have to do here, come and complete offers, just taking survey or watching live streams or playing music or playing games even. That's how you can earn your money here. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys now how you can earn your money and how to create accounts on this website. Okay, but before we go into that, if you are new to my channel, I'm Tech Online, and in this website we talk about tech related updates and how to make money online. So if you are new to this channel, please do well by subscribing to this channel and on your notification bell so you won't miss out any update like this. Okay, so let me show you guys how you can create accounts for yourself today. So for you to create accounts for yourself on this particular website, just check the link on the description menu, click on the first link and create accounts for yourself on this website. Okay, what you have to do is, once you come over to this website, click on the first link in the comment section and come over to this place, then input your username, as in the username you want to use, and then input your email, which is very important. Then create password for yourself. Okay, then click on I'm not a robot and agree to the system terms and condition. Once you're done with that, then you click on register. Okay, but let me log into my own account and then I will show you how you can earn money on this website for free. Okay, if you have account already, just click on login with Google account, this first one here. Once you click on it, you click on login with Google account, then you put your email and log into your Google account. That's if you have accounts already. Okay, but if you don't have, then use the first method. All right, let me show you how it looks. So after logging into your own account, then you need to make money. That's what we are here for. So click on complete offers. Once you click on complete offers, what you have to do is complete tasks like playing games or answering questions, then you earn your money. Okay, so you can click on any of them. You can click on survey providers, that's CPX research, and answer questions. Once you take surveys and you get well done, your money will be credited to your account here. Okay, your coin will increase. And the one that I like most is this watch streams. Okay, that's the ones that I do daily when I want to, when I feel like increasing my balance here. Okay, because I don't do it regularly, but at least it can help you for sub and other things. So you can just tap on this live stream here. Once you tap on it, you earn 2 coin per minute. Okay, you can earn 2 coin per minute, and you can check how many coin you can earn within 1 hour and check within 6 hours of being just leaving it on and doing your other stuffs. Okay, you can also minimize it and still be making up your money. That's the good thing about this application. So this is the one I like doing most, which is live stream. And you can also listen to music and make your money daily, yeah, on daily basis. You can also watch videos, take surveys, answer quiz, and invite your friends. Even once you invite your friend, you make your money. Okay, so and you can also withdraw this using your Binance account, that's using BTC and other stuffs. Okay, just click on withdrawal. I will show you how to withdraw your money to your account. You can see you can withdraw using Litecoin, you can withdraw using Bitcoin, you can also withdraw using Ethereum and PayPal even. Okay, you can withdraw using Visa, Amazon, and Roblox. You have many ways to withdraw your money here. Okay, so go ahead and withdraw your money if you've made up to 2,000 naira, because 2,000 naira is the minimum that you can withdraw in this website. Okay, that's 2,000 coins. Okay, you can withdraw it using your BTC, Litecoin, PayPal, and other stuff. Okay guys, so making money here is very easy, as simple as clicking and watching videos and other things that as I've showed you today. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and on your notification bell so you won't miss out any update like this again. See you guys in my next